All right. So we're going to be working on some short videos and some longer videos eventually when we get our equipment in. Today I thought this was a good place to start. This is a Klipsch KG 1.2 that was sent to us by a customer. Probably one of the smaller Klipsch speakers I have ever worked on. Pretty interesting little design. You can see my hand for reference. 5-way binding posts, KG 1.2, walnut oil. These have a port on the back. When we take the grill off, and I've already done a little bit of disassembly on this one, when we take the grill off, it's metal, which I thought was kind of interesting, and the Klipsch logo is held on by little brads like you'd use on push pins. We have a little tweeter that's built into this plastic motor board, as well as a little woofer here. I'm going to take the screws out and we'll get started taking these apart. You want to be careful when you're taking these apart because this motor board wants to start tilting. So we got to hold it carefully so it doesn't flop all over the place. And these are really long screws. They kind of surprised me how long they were. I've already taken several of the others out. I'm going to use this one screw down here to hold on to this while I take it out so it doesn't fall. And there are two wires going to the back terminal. When we unplug these, we want to make sure that we grab the terminal, not the wire. When we pull on it, we've got to kind of wiggle. Get them off. Then we can move the cabinet out of the way. And we have the rest of our speaker here. And I'm going to take this screw, leave it in there so that it kind of props the speaker up a little bit for video. Basic components here, we have our input wires. We have the woofer right here. We have the crossover board mounted to this plastic terminal. And under here is the tweeter that we're also going to replace the diaphragm on. And we'll be working on some of those things in our next video.